fabulous idea for you. If you ever had one of those umbrella holders that just fell over with the first little breeze, well, I have an amazing project for you that I think you're just going to absolutely love. Only takes a few items. You're going to need some PVC pipe. You can get the white or the Piper black. And a container. You're going to want to go ahead and put some duct tape over any holes. You're going to need some fast dry concrete. You're going to need a variety of plants, any color or selection, depending on if you're going to put it in the sun or the shade. Pick the right plants for that. You're going to need some potting soil and a water source. So that's all it takes. We're going to go ahead and mix this up, and you're going to have an amazing umbrella stand. All right, so I've added the cement to the bucket and some water, and I'm just mixing it up till we get a good consistency. So the concrete's all mixed up. You want it pretty thick, like to the consistency of peanut butter. The pole, you're going to want to put as much in the center as possible. So I think about right there works. And then wait for it to set up. We'll be back to put the rest of the pretty stuff in. I have to say, waiting for this to dry is the hardest part, but it's going to be beautiful when you're done. We had to wait overnight for the cement to dry, but now we're ready to do the fun part, putting the dirt and the beautiful plants in. Well, it's looking very pretty. I do want to mention, though, that I told you just briefly in the other video that you need to make sure that you get plants that have the same sun requirement. So all of my plants that I'm going to select are full sun. Just have a few more left and we'll have an amazing project. I'm so excited about how this turned out. I hope you're going to give it a try. It's perfect timing for Mother's Day or anything spring. So plant some beautiful plants, put an umbrella out, and enjoy your yard.